We have one small box this week of new books and items. So let's take a peek inside. Alright, we're starting with some music here. New CDs by Crystal Shawanda, Rose Cousins, Serena Ryder, and July Talk. Next we have new for our DVD collection, Pariah. Right into some kids' books. A picture book, Bloop. And this one, is it a cookbook? Let's see. A rediscovery of recipes and rituals from the soul of Colombia. So Colombiana is the title. Another picture book here, Lala's World. Have the comfort book. Jeannie and Teeny Make a Wish, a little chapter book. The Bad Guys. Incense and Sensibility. The Betrayed, sorry. Have a Camilla Lackberg, Silver Tears. A Charles Todd, An Irish Hostage. Looks like a new Brenda Novak, When I Found You, a good beach read. Claire McIntosh, Hostage. Sugar Falls, A Residential School Story, and this looks like it might be a graphic novel. And one for the nonfiction section on Martin Luther King Jr. Oh, and we have one more sneaky, maybe an audiobook. World of Wonders, In Praise of Fireflies, Whale Sharks, and Other Astonishments. Alright, so we are open now to the public. You can come into the library to browse 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Tuesday through Saturday, and we look forward to seeing you.